Hey Marcia, it's me again. Here's how you do your own Kahoot. Go to kahoot.com from your web browser, and then you can sign up if you need to create an account. I'm just going to log in because I have one. But once you're logged in, you just go up to the upper right-hand corner, click Create, and then you can decide what type of Kahoot you want to use. I, for Kahoot, typically just do a quiz, but you could certainly try these other options. Looks like they have a tutorial video right here that's probably way better than the one I'm making for you now, so feel free to check that out. I'll show you quickly how I do it. Just click on Quiz. Start over. So this is going to be, oops, just type something in each of these boxes, and then you can decide the settings that you want here, but you'll need to fill all of this out. You can cite anything or add an intro video or a picture. This is all just for the cover of your quiz. So once that's set, you just say go and then start adding your questions. So you can ask them whatever you want to say. And then you can obviously add a picture, or you can change the time limit. You can have points or no points by clicking yes or no here. So you can make it competitive or not. And then you just type in your possible answers in each of the boxes. Okay. And then to identify which answer is correct, you just hit the check mark next to it. And then if you want to cite anything, like I said, there's always that option there. So this is essentially how you create it. You just go to next, and you can add as many questions as you want. And then if you want to edit one of them, let's say you see a typo or you want to change it, you just click this to edit. And then if you want to reorder them, you can just grab this and pull it. Like if you decide question 1 should actually be question 4 and you want to reorganize, that's really simple to do as well. And then anytime you see a pencil, you could go back and add something fancy to the beginning or rename it or whatever you want to do. So that's basically it. You say save, and then you can edit it, preview it, play it, or share it. So that's essentially the gist of Kahoot. And then it will go into like a saved list. Like these are all my Kahoots. So when you click on my Kahoots, you'll find each of the ones that you've created. And then you can always go in and play or edit them or share them here. And so I'm sure you'll figure that out. It's super fun and pretty easy to do. Thanks for asking.